We are here at Southern Manufacturing in Farnborough. This is my first time at the show, and we are on the biggest stand possible, which is Matsuura. So really excited because this is my first one. So I'm here with John Porter, Business Development at Matsuura. John, I'd like you to show me around what we've got today.
Morning, Ali. Been my pleasure.
Absolutely.
Importantly for this show, we brought our HP 3D printing system with us. So it's fantastic to have it here on display. So I'd like to just take you through the basic building blocks of how this process works.
Please do.
I'll start with this. This is the build unit.
This is very exciting.
So it's a modular system. And really this is about taking all the experimentation out of 3D printing. 3D printing for a lot of people now is really easy. This is an industrial process. So like we spoke with Lindsay in Barcelona last year,
Absolutely.
we're bringing this equipment here to demonstrate it to the customers that we'd like to introduce to a true industrial process.
Yeah, this is pretty special actually. It's a bit unusual. So talk us through the process if you would, John.
So what we have here is the build unit. This is essentially where the parts are produced. What we have here on the top is a representation of the build space. So if your components are likely to fit into this volume, then you're in luck. So this machine or this build unit is prepared prior to the build. It's pre-filled with powder, so nylon 12 powder typically. And once it's ready, it's just offered up to the machine. So this is the 3D printer.
Here.
Just come and have a look at this. So
this is an easy lift, isn't it? I really like this actually. Easy for you, not for
easy for me. So what we have here is the main 3D printer itself. And this is essentially where the magic happens. You can see here the build unit fits into this available space here. The print heads are here. And this is where the process of applying the powder and fusing the parts takes place. It's a thermal process. So once the process is complete, it typically takes about 10, 11 hours to do a maximum size build. This build unit is then available just to be removed straight from this machine.
Yeah.
We need to do a little bit of cooling on the parts. That's
you said
important.
it comes out quite warm.
It comes out quite warm.
Yeah.
But what it does also mean is once that build unit is out, the next one can go in, you can push start and run again, run again, run again. So
this is scale.
this is scale,
volume.
high utilization of 3D printing, yeah.
Not my perception at all normally.
No, I'm sure. Well, look, come this way.
Another level. Okay, thank you.
So we have this build unit full of hot parts.
Okay, this goes into here, and this is modular and moves over to here.
Yeah.
Okay, wow, another piece of fantastic equipment.
So another piece of equipment, the processing station.
Yeah.
That build unit is taken here, introduced into this space. What we like to try and do is we like to just help it to cool a little bit. So we attach some cooling to it.
Yes.
And just give it a little bit of time. It's important that the parts can finally take their final shape and dimensions.
Yes.
Once we're ready, we lift the build platform. The parts sort of spill out. There's loose powder
into this
around
area by here.
into this space
And
here.
Can you recycle this powder? Because it's a bit of waste, isn't it?
No,
or
no,
not?
it's so important, so important.
Yeah.
We have a vacuum nozzle here.
Okay.
So we recover the loose powder that hasn't been processed.
Yes.
It's collected by the machine, and once the build unit is finished and emptied of all the parts, this machine will then recharge the build unit again with brand new powder mixed with some of the old powder. 80% is old.
Fantastic. And you've really thought about the operator here, because this is all very simple and easy to move around, lifting and moving.
What's really important as well, you're right, from a health and safety point of view, it's absolutely fantastic. I could comfortably run this process dressed like this. It's really clean, it's really tidy, it's really well structured. Look, it's HP.
So it's going to make a machine shop feel really a nice place to work as well, apart from the quality of the parts.
Absolutely. So the parts that are coming from here are typical of this.
You've got some benchmark parts that look pretty special. Have you got these over here on the table?
I'm going to show you those ones in a minute because they're really special.
Are we not? Oh yeah, this one first, absolutely.
This is typical of the kind of parts that this machine can produce.
Yeah.
We've dyed this one black as well, so we've added a little bit of post-processing.
Okay, yes.
It gives it a little bit more value. It looks great. It looks much more like a molded part.
It absolutely does.
But it's strong.
Yeah.
It's highly useful, and it's what our customers really, really want.
So temperature resistance, chemical resistance.
Yeah. I mean, we're seeing these in underbonnet applications, so in the automotive industry, widely used in the marine sector. It's a fantastically useful product.
Versatile.
Yeah, hugely versatile, yeah.
Okay, right. And then the last final bit.
The
please,
benchmarks
John.
you mentioned.
I like the benchmarks. This is particularly interesting. It's something that's going to be showcased at MAC after here as well.
So the MAC show, So from the 20th of April onwards, we're going to have the new machine from HP there. But this is a little bit of a scoop. We've engaged now with HP to introduce new products into our range.
Yeah.
And that includes the machine that will produce these parts. So it's a triple F machine. So it's essentially an FDM machine. Working in high-grade engineering polymers. The machine is going to be made and manufactured by HP, which is a great thing. People are very supportive of them being in this space.
Absolutely.
They're a wonderful company to get with. The quality of the parts. So, for example, this is Carbon Peak. So if you need
Explain
temperature,
that to me a little bit.
so
or not.
high temperature stability, high chemical resistance, super stiff, very high spec polymer. A favourite of the aerospace and of the Formula One industry,
Yeah.
and the quality.
Absolutely, and this is what people are going to come here to see today. So not only are they going to see the parts, they're going to see all the machines, which is pretty special to bring.
Yeah.
I mean, this is quite special to bring to a show.
It is. It's a new thing for us.
Yeah.
We think it's important for the customers to understand how it performs, how it looks, how it all fits together.
Yeah.
And it's the perfect opportunity to do it. It's a great stand. It looks fantastic,
Really
doesn't
is.
it? Yeah.
And you brought it all the way down to Southern. I mean, you've got a lot of people looking at your stand right now as well because it's so impressive. But bringing it down to Southern, you're bringing it to the customer, to their home area
It's
as well.
important they understand how it all fits together and how it all works
Yeah.
so successfully.
And the team are all here.
We're all here.
Fantastic. Thank you so much, John.
No, it's been my pleasure.
Come and see this amazing stand here at Southern.